Tristan, I just wanted to show you, I was talking about when we start cutting this down, we're actually going to get into an area that's thinner than it is up here. So, at least for a while. So, and then, so there was just a lot of concern by this very experienced builder. You can take a look at his shop, and everything's nice and neat and organized. You can tell he's doing it right just by looking at it. And some pretty exotic machinery in here. But anyhow, so that was the first thing, was his concern about that, and he wasn't sure that he even had a head, but he did find a set in his storage facility. Yeah. So anyway, I just wanted to show you what our concern is, and you can see that there's quite a bit of material right here that has chipped off. That cast had rusted out and chipped off. So here's a piece right here. Let's see if I can get it to chip off my fingernail.
Grab that screwdriver, you can break it off. That's why I was reaching in my pocket to find my knife. No, the bottom of that cylinder. Or bottom of that port.
Yep.
The whole thing is like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I'm afraid those things aren't going to be any good.
Right.
Yeah, that might go through. You get enough of that out of there.
Yep. So that's why we decided to go with the heads. And just in case you wanted anything to show Roman for backup, here it is.